Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Jamovi. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss how to perform simple linear regression model and its interpretation in Jamovi. You can find more videos on data analysis using Jamovi, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, Econometrics and MS Excel on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the meaning of simple linear regression model, that is SLRM. Now in the regression model we have clear-cut bifurcation between dependent variable and independent variable. So the model is, or the regression equation is, y is equal to alpha plus beta x plus mu. So this y is our dependent variable and x becomes independent variable and mu is our error term. So basically in regression model we want to know the effect of independent variable on dependent variable, or we can predict the value of the dependent variable for given values of independent variable. Now let's see this example. I have the data of 40 students. You can see here data of 40 students, their result and library hours. So see the variables: result, marks out of 50, and library hours, that is library hours per week. So in this case, result becomes dependent variable and library hours becomes independent variable. So what is the model? Result is equal to alpha plus beta library hours plus mu. And now we are going to estimate this alpha and beta using this data. So result is our dependent variable and library hours independent variable. So let's see how to perform it. So first we go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of regression. So click on regression. In regression we have the option of linear regression. So select linear regression. In linear regression the dependent variable is result and independent variable is library. So move this library to covariate box. And here we have the result. Now go to model fit, and in model fit select F test, because F test gives the overall result or overall model test. So let's understand the result. So first we are going to see the F test. So this is F statistic, that is 10.2, and associated p value is 0.003. This p value is less than 0.05, and therefore we conclude that our model is better than intercept only model. The entire model is statistically significant. That is what F test depicts. Now we are going to see how to interpret the regression coefficients. So let's understand this. So see here, this is the value of intercept, that is 20.09. Associated p value is less than 0.05, therefore it is statistically significant. The coefficient of library, that is beta, is 1.62. associated p-value is less than 0.05. Therefore, this is also statistically significant. So let's see how to write the entire equation. The result is equal to 20.09 plus 1.62 library hours. This is our regression model, simple linear regression model, and this model is statistically significant because F test says that the p-value is less than 0.05. Now, how to interpret this 1.62? That means if library hours increases by 1 unit, that is 1 hour, result will increase by 1.62 units. So basically, regression coefficient, that is beta, says that or depicts the change in dependent variable, a unit change in dependent variable for a unit change in independent variable. So here it is 1.62. That means if library hour increases by 1 unit, the result will increase by 1.62 units. Now we need to check R square. See R square. R square is coefficient of determination. R square is coefficient of determination. So what is coefficient of determination? Coefficient of determination explains the variation in dependent variable due to independent variable, that is variation in result due to library hours. So it is 0.212, that means 21.2% variation in result can be explained by library hours. That is the idea of coefficient of determination. So this is how we interpret the simple linear regression model. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.